Rejection sometimes can be God using it for redirection. The trick of the enemy is to make you take rejection and use it as an excuse to be wounded. So what? They put the Bible study in your face and said they didn't want to hear anything about it. Maybe God is redirecting you to the other person across the other table that's listening. Rejection is not an excuse to give up and to not be fruitful. That with rejection, I believe in one portion, the Lord told them that if you go to a house and they will not hear, he said, the dust off of your feet. I'm not praying that the roof cave in. I'm not praying that the air conditioning shut off and all the eggs spoil. But what I am saying that rejection many times is an evidence that God has redirected me to go where the message will be received. Because somewhere somebody wants to hear about a man by the river that's healing the sick soul. You may not want what he has to offer, but there